on, guys? My name's Nate from TSI Corps. I'm over here hanging out with the bear training guys at their shop. Talk about some door stuff and tools. This is the Pro Bar. It's made by K-Tool. You can get it from Firehooks Unlimited. And this is probably the most versatile tool in general. Any Halligan bar is the most versatile tool in forcible entry. So it's being used across fire service, military, and law enforcement. The benefits that it has is you have a lot of options, and it gives you a good amount of mechanical advantage. So you have a 6-inch fork on one end with a beveled edge. You have an adze 5 inches by 2 inches wide, and you have a pike. All of these parts to the Halligan bar will give you different options when it comes to breaching or forcible entry. So the benefit that this tool will give you is a great mechanical advantage. So it's 15-to-1 ratio with a 30-inch bar and a 2-inch adze. So prying down and applying force with this tool, if I push down 100 pounds at a 15-to-1 ratio, I'm pushing down actually 1,500 pounds on my objective. So we're gonna work on this a little bit today with these tools and some others, and then see you guys soon. All right, guys, so first we're gonna start off on a conventional forcible entry with one-person operation. So first we need to do a door size up and figure out whether it's inward swinging, outward swinging. Is it a commercial door? Is it a residential, steel or hollow or solid wood core door? So the things that I'm looking for obviously is the door material and then the type of building that it is. So will tell me is it residential versus commercial. So this is an inward swinging door, and we know this because it's recessed from the wall. So a little bit of door anatomy. We have the wall, we have a door frame that encases the door, and then we have door stops. So these door stops are typically sheet metal that is built into the frame, or if it's a residential, it's a wood section on the door frame to stop the door when it's being closed. Now you would have a knob and a lock on the knob side, and then hinges on the inside that you wouldn't be able to see for an inward swinging door. So on a basic door, residential inward swinging, we're just gonna go through the process and open this door conventionally with one person. How to use the tool and forcing this door in the least amount of moves as possible will give you the efficiency and the speed to get in when using the least amount of effort as well. So knowing that I have an inward swinging door, I can put my foot on the bottom of the door to see how much flex it has. And I want to take out as much flex as I can, because any type of movement in the door is just lost energy transferred to the door when applying the tools. So my first move is going to take the adze in between the door and the stop. Okay, now if it's tight, again, I'll put my foot, give myself a gap, work it in there. Now the adze is set between the door and the door stop. Now from here, since the knob side, the lock side is on my right side, the pike is facing up, so I'm going to force down so I'm not working against the pike. So as I move, still keep my foot on the door, push down, apply force. Now in this position here, notice I have a little bit of gap started, so I want to be able to capture this progress. If I were to take this tool out and then pull my foot off the door is going to flex, the wood will want to go back to where it was coming before it started to crack, and then shut the door, and then I just lost that progress. So I could do a few things. I can keep my foot still on the door, and I have a little bit of a gap here. So what I could do is, it's called fork it. So you fork it in, and then sink it past the crotch, past the door frame, bevel to the door, and then finish the force to the door. So that was done in 2 moves. Knowing the tool and the capability and how to manipulate it will give you the efficiency and speed.